Hey my spices, it's your girl Spicy Spivey. Welcome to my kitchen. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get my new uploads as well. Today we are going to make oven baked corn on the cob, and if you want to see how I make it, please keep watching. Okay, my spices, let's get to cracking. We're going to need 3 sticks of room temperature butter and place that in a bowl. And we have all of the seasonings in a bowl, and we're going to add that to the butter. Now you're going to spread the butter mixture all over the corn on the cob until it's completely covered. Now place your buttered corn on the cob on a sheet of aluminum foil and seal it tightly. Now repeat the steps. Now I'm going to place the corn on the cob on a cookie sheet and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And check it, you might have to turn it. If not, that's fine. But it will come out nice, juicy, and golden. here you have it, my spices. Oven baked corn on the cob. I will put the ingredients in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.